How to fix Fortnite loading screen, freeze and stuck. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and open Epic Games. And once you open it up, simply select Library. Inside Library, you'll see Fortnite. Go ahead and tap on the three dot and then simply tap on Manage. Now inside the Manage section, go ahead and simply tap on Verify beside Verify Files. And once it is done, head back to your home screen and then in the search bar, search for Run. Once you search for Run, simply type in temp and then click OK. Now once you are here, you want to go ahead and delete all those files. So delete it, and once you are done, in the search bar, go ahead and search for percentage local app data percentage and then hit enter. Now inside here, go ahead and search for Fortnite game and then tap onto it. Now from here, select saved and then simply tap on config. And once you're here, simply select Windows Client, and inside Windows Client, you'll see Game User Settings. Go ahead and right click on it and then simply select Properties. Now inside Properties, you want to make sure that Read Only is unticked. So go ahead and untick it. Once done, simply right click on your desktop and then tap on Display Settings. Now once you do that, you want to go ahead and make sure that the resolution is set to recommended. So go ahead and do that and then simply check if you have a Windows update. So if you have it, simply update your window. So the last step that you want to do is open up your driver for your graphic card. So mine is NVIDIA, so I would just open it up. I would go to the driver and check that I have the latest driver and install that. And once you've done that, it should fix your issue. Well, that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.